Hey guys, and welcome back to Learning to Do My Hair. I am feeling very chic in this little eye look that I threw together, and I wanted to find a hairstyle that matched that. Also, my hair's it's been better. So I wanted to try out like a slicked back pony. And if it goes terribly, tomorrow's hair wash day. So not very high stakes. I made the mistake of trying to like do my last learning to do my hair video when I had places to be, and that was stressful. So today we're just going to be playing around with this look and hopefully learning how to do a very chic slick back pony. Okay, I have brushed through my hair. I normally don't do a middle part, but that's like the trend, so I'm gonna try it. But I feel like I have the hardest time actually getting a middle part that like lines up with my widow's peak. Then the videos I've seen have used different kinds of product. I've seen some with like leave-in conditioners. I've seen some with like I'm using mousse because this is what I have on hand, and I'm just gonna try and get a little bit of it. And I say that, and then now I have a lot. Okay. It's so much fun to play with. Okay, and I'm gonna try and get that in the hair that's like frames my face, because that's really where we need slicking. Then what I've seen people do is they'll gather like the sides and they'll do the top last, and then I saw a tip. I will link all of the videos that I watched down below where someone went in on the first try around with the hair tie already looped, and I guess that helps avoid bumps. So we're gonna try it all. We're gonna try all these tips and tricks. So I'm gonna start by, and I want like kind of a high pony. And then I'm just gonna go in with this comb and go over these. Okay, now I'm gonna go back over the parts that I had parted at the beginning. I like did it. Look at me go. Oh my god, this is working so much better than that like half up hairstyle that I did. That was a disaster. We're not even gonna talk about that. I'm so shocked I posted it. But I was like, you know what? No one expects perfection around here. Okay, I do have a couple spots that I'm having a hard time getting rid of. And now I'm gonna go in with my pre-looped hair tie. And then I'm gonna go around, pull it through, and then she said to drop one of the loops and then continue on as normal. Oh my god, look at me go. I think it turned out so nice. Okay, and then I also wanted to try the thing where people like loop a little bit of hair so that you don't see the band. Hopefully this looks nice from the back, because I mean, it feels nice. Part 1 was a success. If I was gonna go out like in wind or something, I'd probably go in with a little more mousse, because the hair like back here feels a little like not coated in product, or there's no product like towards the back of my head. But since we're just playing around, I'm just gonna go straight in. Is that a big enough piece? Okay, well, let's see. And then I'm just gonna like pin that last little bit of hair. Okay. Okay, I have to take a picture to assess, and I'll be right back. It looks like the piece that's like covering my hair tie is a little bumpy, could be cleaner. But honestly, like this turned out so much nicer than I thought it did. And now I need more contour because I feel like my forehead's really big. But other than that, this was a success. I feel like this is like what I actually consider to be like an easy hairstyle. It took me like 5 minutes. This is the first time I've ever done it. Like, yes, it's a ponytail, but like it looks so nice. It looks so much nicer than my normal ponytail. So that is everything that I have for today's video. Short and sweet, but I will leave the videos that I watched, like that are like actual tutorials, not just me fumbling along, down below in case you wanted to try them out. And most of all, I hope you're having an incredible, awesome day wherever you are, and then I get to see you in a future video. Thanks, guys.